scared me.
You scared me.
Sorry.
You scared me. Don't ever do that again.
Oh, man, you scared me, man. All right. All right.
Someone has to stop Megamind.
Hey, we're closing soon.
Oh, you scared me.
Oh, God. You scared me.
Oh, shit, Nick, you scared me. You scared me.
My apologies. You feeling all right?
Yes, thank you.
Where did you go? Huh? You scared me half to death.
Hello.
Oh, man, you scared me, kid. Ah, nearly soiled myself.
What are you doing up there? You scared me.
This is Mara and the View. You want coffee?
Yeah. You scared me. Don't do that again. Ever. Okay, Mommy. Ever, ever, ever.
Don't do that. You scared me. Come here.
Remember me?
Scared me.
What can I say? I'm a scary guy.
There you are, Moana. What are you doing? You scared me.
When I want to go back.
I know. But you don't go out there. It's dangerous.
Oh, shit.
What?
You scared me.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Everything's fine.
Kitty, you scared me. Percy. Oh, you scared me too.
Julia, how many times do I have to tell you not to wander away from me in public places? Huh? How many times?
I was hungry.
Honey, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You scared me to... Look, you really worried me.
Sorry.